नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एन्व्हायरमेंटल एज्युकेशन अँड सस्टेनेबिलिटी या युनिटमध्ये पहिलं जे युनिट आहे त्यामध्ये काही नवीन टॉपिक ॲड केलेले आहेत. त्यातला सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा टॉपिक जो आहे तो सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट गोल्स. तर त्याचे काही MCQ आपण या भागात बघणार आहोत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाऊ मेनी सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट गोल्स दॅट इज SDGs वेअर अडॉप्टेड the United Nations in 2015. There are 17 goals which are adopted. Next is, what is the target year for achieving the SDGs? Target year is 2030. Then which SDG focuses on no poverty, that is goal 1. Next question is SDG 13 focuses on which of the following areas? It focuses on climate action. Then what does SDG 5 aim to achieve? It is gender equality and empowerment of women. Which of the following SDGs focuses on clean water and sanitation? It is goal 6. Then next is, what is primary focus of SDG 4? It is quality education. Then which SDG is directly related to affordable and clean energy? It is goal 7. What is the aim of SDG 14? It is life below water. Then what SDG focuses on decent work and economic growth? It is goal 8. What does SDG 16 aim to promote? Peace, justice and strong institutions. Next question is, what does SDG 15 focus on? It focuses on life on land. Then what is the key focus of SDG 17? It is partnership for the goals. These are some questions related to SDG 17. Thank you.